say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you.
Good morning, Frey guys. So today we have a lot of like reorganizing that we need to do. Journey and I are gonna like clean out the closet that was the boys' room and now going to be the girls' room. And
yeah, me too.
Yeah, you're gonna help me.
Yeah.
Will you go get me a towel?
Oh, you hear some?
Yeah. In your bathroom. Yeah. Anyway, when my hair is wet, the purple like bleeds off, and so I had to put a towel on the chair so it doesn't get on my chair. Anyway, we have to clean out that closet. There's lots of just baby stuff in there that needs to just be moved. I had it all in there just because we didn't know what age we were gonna get, and we still don't know if we still have 2 openings, so we still don't know what ages we're gonna get after the girls, but it just makes more sense to put everything in the attic and then bring it down when we need it. So that's the plan.
Mama, wait.
Okay.
So my baby. And I Coco.
Say hi.
Hi. My Coco.
Yep, your corn is so pretty.
My Coco. Ah, there was your Coco shirt.
Mm-hmm. She's so pretty.
The Coco shirt.
Mm-hmm. So I decided to get the girls out and go get breakfast this morning.
Hi.
Say hi. We're headed to McDonald's and we're gonna get some
Mace
breakfast.
wants to say hi.
Say hi, Mace. Or not.
Move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I'm feeling blue. It's on you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I'm feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one.
So I cleaned up the stovetop. I actually like spilled soup on it at one point last week. So it's not like perfect, but it's good enough for now. I need to just put that back on there, but I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. And now Journey and I are gonna go clean out the closet.
And then when we put this right here,
Okay.
that's my bed.
Okay.
That's your no so dirty.
Okay.
That's my present on my bed.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough. thinking, whoa. I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave.
Okay, so we're outside now. Journey and I have been doing a lot of cleaning and reorganizing while Mason took a nap. But we're supposed to get more storms. That's what freaking spring looks like here, and I am so tired of it. I hate the storms. Luckily it's not too bad right now. My dad said it's supposed to get bad around like 11 tonight, but bleh, I'm so tired of it. Anyway, again, Journey and her friend are playing in the pool, and we're just hanging out outside for a little bit.
This place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. Somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink. When everyone is too fake, your hope eventually sinks. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. Whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. I don't wanna waste no time, feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life, not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now.
Yeah, mommy will turn it off in just a second.
You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you.
Okay, so we made our Frisco melts like from Steak and Shake. We used the Thousand Island dressing, and it was good, but it's not Frisco sauce. We always thought it was, but it's definitely not. But it was good. We cooked all of it in 30 minutes, and we waited for like 5 minutes on the fries and started the fries beforehand. So it really only took like 20 minutes to cook all of it. But as you guys heard, the alarm went off, and that happens all the time. It freaked Journey out, so hope you guys got a good laugh out of that. But it's supposed to storm tonight, but it's not till later. So we're gonna go get some ice cream, and then we're gonna come back and watch The Bachelorette. Hey, celebrate with me.
Woo woo!
So, we're gonna go get ice cream. Where are we going?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're doing yes, Mom.
Where are we going?
We're going to Andy's.
Woohoo, Andy's.
pictured it photograph. Remember how we used to sit and fight.
Is it good?
That is cold.
I haven't even taken a bite yet.
Go ahead.
Mistakes I left in the past.
You started going before you even took a bite. You knew. And then this is mine. Oh yeah.
Hold that.
Staring to the streetlights, wonder where we'd be if nothing would have changed. If we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame. Would we hold our ground? If nothing would have changed, would you take my name? Stay through the rain. Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Drawing from another time, walls of paint that spells out your name. Yeah.
So we just put Journey down to bed. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We will see you tomorrow. I will be vlogging every day until we get the girls, and then we're not really sure what's gonna happen after that, but we'll figure it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to be the reason somebody smiles today, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
You said you had to change your heart, that Albany just left you all the same.